Did you know that the right drinks can help reduce proteinuria and heal your kidneys? Proteinuria, the presence of excess protein in the urine, is often a sign of kidney damage or dysfunction. Here are the top 12 powerful drinks that will improve your kidney health. Stick around because some drinks might surprise you. Number 1. Pomegranate Juice. Pomegranate juice stands out as one of the most effective drinks for kidney health. It's loaded with antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, and potent compounds called anthocyanins, which are known for fighting inflammation. Inflammation is a key driver of kidney damage, which can lead to proteinuria. By reducing inflammation, pomegranate juice helps protect the kidneys from further deterioration. Not only that, but pomegranate juice also aids in lowering blood pressure. High blood pressure puts significant stress on the kidneys, worsening proteinuria. When blood pressure is under control, the kidneys can filter waste more efficiently, reducing the risk of excess protein in the urine. In addition, the antioxidants found in pomegranate juice work to eliminate free radicals that contribute to oxidative stress, another factor in kidney damage. By regularly consuming pomegranate juice, you're providing your kidneys with the necessary tools to fight off inflammation, maintain healthy blood pressure levels, and reduce protein leakage into your urine. Number 2. Lemon water. Lemon water is a simple yet powerful remedy for maintaining kidney health and stopping proteinuria. Rich in potassium and vitamin C, lemon water helps alkalize the body, which can prevent the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones can increase the risk of kidney damage and proteinuria, making it essential to prevent their development. But lemon water's benefits go beyond kidney stones. Potassium, an essential mineral found in lemons, plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. High blood pressure can damage kidney tissues over time, leading to protein leakage. By ensuring your body has enough potassium, you can help keep your blood pressure in check, reducing the strain on your kidneys. Lemon water also contains high levels of antioxidants, which reduce oxidative stress in the body. This helps protect kidney cells from damage, ensuring they function optimally and prevent protein from spilling into the urine. Lemon water also aids digestion by promoting the production of bile, which improves the elimination of toxins. A well-functioning digestive system reduces the burden on the kidneys, as they won't have to work overtime to filter out waste. Simply drinking lemon water daily can have a profound impact on your overall kidney health. Number 3. Cucumber juice. Cucumber juice may be one of the most hydrating drinks you can consume for kidney health. It's packed with antioxidants, high water content, and soluble fiber, all crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting kidney function. The high water content in cucumbers helps flush out toxins from the body, preventing the buildup of waste in the kidneys, which can lead to proteinuria. When kidneys are properly hydrated, they can function more efficiently, reducing the risk of protein leakage. Additionally, cucumbers contain compounds that help regulate blood sugar levels. Since high blood sugar can cause damage to the kidneys and worsen proteinuria, keeping glucose levels stable is key for those looking to protect their kidneys. The soluble fiber found in cucumbers also aids in digestion, ensuring that toxins are removed from the body through the digestive system rather than overburdening the kidneys. The antioxidant properties of cucumbers, particularly their flavonoids and tannins, help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can cause kidney damage. By incorporating cucumber juice into your daily routine, you provide your kidneys with the hydration and support they need to stay healthy. Number 4. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is another excellent drink for maintaining healthy kidney function. Beets are rich in betalains and vitamin C, both of which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a significant factor in the development of proteinuria, as it can damage the delicate tissues of the kidneys. The high levels of antioxidants in beetroot juice also help lower oxidative stress in the kidneys, which can protect against further damage. Additionally, beetroot juice is known to improve blood circulation and lower blood pressure. Since high blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage and proteinuria, drinking beetroot juice can help protect your kidneys from additional harm. The nitrates in beetroot juice have been shown to relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and allowing the kidneys to filter waste more efficiently. By enhancing kidney filtration, beetroot juice reduces the likelihood of excess protein entering the urine. Regular consumption of beetroot juice helps keep your kidneys healthy, reduces inflammation, and supports overall blood pressure management. Before we proceed to the next kidney healing drink, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 5. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant beverage that can significantly benefit those with proteinuria. The active compounds in ginger, particularly gingerol and shogal, work by reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. Inflammation in the kidneys is one of the leading causes of proteinuria, so by keeping inflammation in check, ginger tea helps prevent further damage. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger tea is effective in lowering blood sugar levels. High blood sugar can lead to diabetic nephropathy, a condition that damages the kidneys and results in protein leakage. By regulating blood sugar, ginger tea helps prevent this form of kidney damage. Ginger tea also improves blood lipid levels, which is essential for maintaining healthy kidney function. Elevated cholesterol levels can harm blood vessels, including those in the kidneys, so keeping cholesterol in check reduces the risk of kidney damage. Number 6. Berry smoothie. A berry smoothie made with a combination of strawberries, blueberries, and acai is a fantastic way to support kidney health and reduce proteinuria. Berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. This oxidative stress can lead to inflammation and damage in the kidneys, resulting in protein leakage into the urine. The fiber content in berries also plays a role in supporting kidney health. Fiber helps regulate cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues that can damage the kidneys. Additionally, the natural sugars in berries are low on the glycemic index, which means they won't cause spikes in blood sugar that could harm the kidneys. By incorporating a berry smoothie into your diet, you're providing your body with powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and cholesterol levels, all of which are key factors in preventing kidney damage and proteinuria. This tasty, nutrient-dense smoothie not only supports kidney function, but also promotes overall health. Number 7. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, often called golden milk, is a traditional remedy known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from damage. Since inflammation is a leading cause of proteinuria, drinking turmeric milk can help reduce the risk of protein leakage into the urine. Curcumin also acts as a potent antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals that cause oxidative stress in the kidneys. By reducing oxidative damage, turmeric milk helps maintain the health of kidney cells and promotes their proper functioning. Additionally, curcumin has been shown to lower blood sugar levels, which is crucial for those with diabetes who are at risk of kidney damage. By reducing both inflammation and oxidative stress, turmeric milk helps protect the kidneys from further damage and prevents proteinuria from worsening. It's an easy, delicious way to incorporate the healing properties of turmeric into your daily routine. Number 8. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is well known for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections, but it also has significant benefits for kidney health. Cranberries contain antioxidants such as vitamin C and proanthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. This is particularly important for preventing proteinuria, as inflammation can cause the kidneys to leak protein into the urine. Cranberry juice works by preventing bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can damage the kidneys. By keeping the urinary tract clear of infections, cranberry juice helps protect the kidneys from further harm. In addition, cranberry juice has been shown to improve blood pressure regulation, which is crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. High blood pressure is a common cause of kidney damage and proteinuria, so drinking cranberry juice regularly can help keep your blood pressure in check and reduce the risk of proteinuria. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea is another excellent drink for promoting kidney health. Rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant, Green tea helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. By protecting kidney cells from damage, green tea can help reduce the risk of proteinuria and support overall kidney function. Green tea has also been shown to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood sugar regulation, both of which are important for maintaining healthy kidneys. Elevated cholesterol and blood sugar levels can damage the blood vessels in the kidneys, leading to protein leakage. By keeping these levels in check, green tea helps prevent further kidney damage. Additionally, green tea has been shown to reduce blood pressure, which is a critical factor in protecting the kidneys. High blood pressure can strain the kidneys and cause proteinuria, so by lowering blood pressure, green tea helps support kidney function and reduce the risk of protein leakage. Number 10. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural hydrator packed with electrolytes that can be a powerful aid for kidney health, particularly for those dealing with proteinuria. Its high levels of potassium help regulate blood pressure, which is crucial because high blood pressure is a common contributor to kidney damage. By keeping blood pressure stable, coconut water helps reduce the strain on the kidneys, preventing further damage and reducing the risk of protein leakage. Another important component of coconut water is magnesium, which plays a role in detoxifying the kidneys. This nutrient aids in dissolving excess calcium in the kidneys, which can otherwise lead to the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are a significant cause of kidney damage, which can worsen proteinuria if not treated. Additionally, coconut water has a mild diuretic effect, meaning it helps flush out toxins and excess fluids from the body, further reducing the risk of kidney stone formation and keeping your kidneys functioning optimally. Number 11. Dandelion tea. Dandelions are rich in antioxidants and have potent diuretic properties, which means they help the kidneys flush out toxins and excess fluid. This cleansing effect is particularly important for individuals dealing with proteinuria, as the buildup of toxins and waste can put additional strain on the kidneys. Dandelion tea is also packed with potassium, an essential nutrient for blood pressure control. Since high blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage, dandelion tea's ability to promote healthy blood pressure levels makes it an excellent addition to your diet. By reducing the strain on the kidneys, this tea helps prevent further protein leakage into the urine. Moreover, dandelion contains anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce swelling and inflammation in the kidneys. This is especially beneficial because chronic inflammation can lead to kidney damage and worsen proteinuria over time. Regular consumption of dandelion tea can help your kidneys perform their filtration duties efficiently while also reducing the risk of future kidney issues. Number 12. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is another powerful drink that protects your kidneys and prevents proteinuria. This bright red tea is rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and protect the delicate cells in your kidneys from damage. Since inflammation is a significant factor in the development of proteinuria, hibiscus tea helps to reduce the risk of further damage. Hibiscus tea has also been shown to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure can weaken the blood vessels in the kidneys, leading to protein leakage. By lowering blood pressure, hibiscus tea helps reduce the strain on the kidneys and protects them from further damage. In fact, some studies have shown that hibiscus tea can be just as effective as certain blood pressure medications, making it a natural alternative for those looking to support their kidney health. In addition to its blood pressure lowering effects, hibiscus tea acts as a mild diuretic. This means it helps your body get rid of excess salt and fluid, reducing the burden on the kidneys. By promoting better fluid balance, hibiscus tea helps improve kidney function and prevents the buildup of waste that could worsen proteinuria. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.